Hello friend, welcome. This is our Java chess game. Okay, let's quickly fix a small issue I just found. It's about when I touch anywhere, right click, it's not obvious. That now let's put some printing message here. So movePiece, okay, let's print out the 4 parameters. Okay, so from colon plus like that, and from row and separator and 2 column, no, 2 column and 2 row. Let's see what happened. Let's see what I found. Okay, now let's run again. So what if I touch here? You see, I just click anywhere. It means this function, this method is called, right? This is bad. This is an actual move, but if we just click anywhere, right? This function shouldn't be called. So let's add a condition here, or from column equals 2 column and from row equals 2 row. Then we should ignore it. Okay, now let's move this one to inside this. Okay, let's try it again. Yeah, so it means in this case, right, we'll ignore that thing. That's good. Now let's cut here and make sure this function shouldn't be called. Now we'll have a guard here to ignore this function call in this case, but we still want to cut the source here. Well, it is called when we do the mouse release, right? After we figure out the from column and from row and these 2 column and 2 row, we call this. Now let's print out here from column. This is just the column, and we want to cut this unnecessary function call. Okay, let's try. If I click anywhere, right, it means this function call happens unconditionally. So let's do mouse released. Oh, piece at mouse pressed. Okay, so we can use the same condition here. make a copy of that. So like if this if this is not an actual move, piece move, right? We should ignore that. We can return. Okay. So otherwise, yeah, we'll keep going to make the move. So if that move it, do we need to do this? Wait a minute. Moving piece. Yeah, we need this. We need to do this. So the condition should be if this one is not that, or it's not that, we should make a move like that. Put this one in, and yeah, so we can make sure, right? If it's actually a move, right? It's actually a move, then we can make it a move. So this one, yeah, we should set it to back to now. Okay, now let's put back the print here to make sure it's not called if we just simply click a place there on the screen. Quit, run it. Try again, click. Okay, cool, right? And drag. No. Yeah, it's called toy. Wait a minute, let me make a move. Oh, try it again. Click here, click here. Okay, good. Now that we can clean up this one and make a commit. So right click here, commit. We modify two files. Oh, what we did, so only call movePiece method when there is an actual move. Okay, save. Oh, try it again. We didn't save it. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. See you.